guys, and welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina, and today we're at the Bier Library, where they have an absolutely amazing Sunday brunch, complete with face painting, balloon sculpture, and a bunch of live stations. We can't wait to check it out. So let's go ahead and see what Sunday brunch is all about. So we just had an absolutely amazing Sunday brunch at the Bier Library. One of the things that we really enjoyed is that they've got a ton of fun stuff to do. For example, they even got a magician that comes right to your table to perform magic for you. We also really enjoyed the host of live counters they have, including a live grill, their famous pizza, as well as some chots and pasta. We really enjoyed the brunch here, and we think it's super affordable, especially for Bangalore, so we're definitely gonna head back here. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, as well as follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry.